Welcome back to the channel Car OG 765. Today, we're going to take you back to the golden era of American trucks with the 1947 Chevrolet 3100, a truck that changed the way pickups were designed and built. This isn't just a piece of machinery, it's a living legend that still captures the hearts of collectors and truck enthusiasts around the world. Exterior. The 1947 Chevrolet 3100 marked the beginning of Chevrolet's Advanced Design series, which became one of the most popular truck lines in America. Unlike the square and rugged pre-war trucks, the 3100 introduced a sleeker and more rounded body style. The front grille stood out with bold chrome horizontal bars, giving the truck a confident and stylish face. The fenders were smooth and integrated, while the headlights sat neatly inside them, making the truck look far more modern than anything that came before. It also featured a wider cab and lower profile, giving it a sturdier, more stable stance on the road. The single-piece curved windshield improved visibility and added a touch of elegance. The truck bed was practical, strong, and built for work, but the design itself made it look good even when parked. Simply put, the 3100's exterior struck a balance between beauty and toughness, something that set it apart from its competition. Interior. Now let's step inside the cabin. The interior of the 3100 was a huge improvement over earlier Chevy pickups. First, the cab was roomier, which made driving more comfortable for long hours. Farmers, delivery drivers, and tradesmen all appreciated the added space. The dashboard was functional and simple, with clear gauges and easy-to-use controls. Nothing fancy, just pure practicality. But compared to older trucks, it felt much more driver-friendly. The bench seat could fit 2 or 3 people, depending on the load, and while the materials were durable rather than luxurious, they were built to last. Another big plus was visibility. Thanks to the larger windshield and windows, drivers could see more of the road and surroundings, which made driving safer and less tiring. For its time, the 3100's cabin was one of the most comfortable working environments you could get in a pickup. Performance. Of course, a truck is nothing without its engine, and Chevrolet made sure the 3100 delivered. Under the hood, it carried the famous 216 cubic inch, stove-bolt, inline-six engine. This motor produced around 90 horsepower and strong torque, which was the real star of the show. It was paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, smooth for its era, and it allowed the truck to handle both city driving and heavy-duty farm work. The suspension was solid and designed to carry loads without breaking down, which made the truck extremely popular among hardworking Americans. The 3100 wasn't about speed, it was about reliability, durability, and getting the job done. And in those areas, it performed brilliantly. Even today, many of these engines are still running after nearly 80 years, which proves how dependable they were. Conclusion. The 1947 Chevrolet 3100 was more than just a pickup, it was the beginning of a new era for American trucks. Its stylish design, improved comfort, and dependable performance made it an instant hit, and it remained one of the most beloved trucks of its time. Collectors today cherish this truck, not only because of its looks but also because it represents the hardworking American spirit of the post-war years. Whether restored or kept in original condition, the 3100 continues to turn heads wherever it goes. So, if you love classic trucks, the Chevrolet 3100 is a masterpiece worth celebrating. Thanks for watching Car OG 765. Don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment about your favorite classic truck, and subscribe to the channel for more legendary car and truck stories.